Hi everyone, welcome back with me in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the email address in Canva. So what you need to do is go to your account just by clicking the initial or the profile icon in your Canva, and then go to the account settings. And then here in your account submenu, scroll down until you find the email address option. And if you want to change it, just click on edit. But first you need to type in your password here. And then after you type in your password, you can change your email address. And then click on save to change it into the new email address. Okay, it's so easy. I think you can follow it right away. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.